This is really easy and a good fun experiment the kids really enjoyed. The ingredients are corn flour, water and food colouring. To make this, all you need to do is put the corn flour in a bowl, add the food colouring to the water, slowly add the water and stir at the same time until you get a thick paste. Be careful not to go over the top with the food colouring as we did. If you'd like to follow our adventures in home education, you can follow us on Twitter at HomeEd101, or you could just subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for your support.